This certificate is proudly presented to Nadong Behero in grateful recognition and heartfelt appreciation for giving a pride to our province, Pangasinan. For winning the sixth Lagayan Festival, Langayan Abra. Your outstanding performance, passion, dedication brought to our Pangasinan Content Creators Association, but also the entire province of Pangasinan. Your contribution showcase the talents and enhance and proud to our Pangasinenses. You make us proud. From PCCA family, for Nardong Behero. Simple, okay. Dahil nanalo siya lang yung nanalo sa lahat ng mga sumasali sa mga content creators sa labas. Siya lang yung nakakuha ng tapo. So, palakpakan natin. Hello! Takot siya ba? Okay. Yan. The one of the best Pangasinan vlogger.
Alright. Wait lang.
Hindi. Talk naman, talk.